Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's start analyzing Bank Nifty. So as I told you, this is a strong breakout level right here which is above 30,8010. If we go to 15-minute chart to understand today's price action, you saw today was a range bound day. Bank Nifty was trading back and forth between the level of 30,840 and 30,650. So these are the level that Bank Nifty were trading at. But if you look at the entire day's action, one thing that strikes me out is that Bank Nifty tried to go down multiple times. You see this retracement up to half of the day retracement was constant till the low of 30,675, but after the European market open, Bank Nifty was going as low as 30,739, which means they were making lows more than 80 to 90 points of previous low, which means that the low was getting the retracement was getting shallower, which is a good indication that in tomorrow's session we might see that inevitable breakout which stands at about 30,850. So tomorrow in Bank Nifty we are only going to buy if the price goes about 30,850. One thing you can do is that you can check 5-minute chart. If you see spike in the size of the candle at the same time volume, when Bank Nifty crosses 30,850, then you can surely place buy order right here. If you see weak volumes, then you can wait and see how the price or the volume dictates in the session. It's time to analyze Nifty. If you look at just daily chart of Nifty, you can conclude that both Bank Nifty and Nifty are in sync with each other in terms of kind of candle they are making. So here on Nifty as well, the level of 13,585 to 90 looks like a breakout level, or rather a strong breakout level. We'll go to 15-minute chart to understand today's price action. As you saw here, there was a huge spike spike in the first 15 minutes and the volumes were expanding, but you see the size of the candle. The size of the candle is indicating us that this breakout is not going to happen because you can see wick on the upper side, which means that price went above and due to lack of conviction or selling, it came down. And throughout the session, Bank Nifty 50 found support at the level of 13,490. And in tomorrow's sessions, as I told you regarding Bank Nifty, we are going to sell only if Nifty 50 goes above 13,575 with decent volume. The formation of candle should be in such a way that it should indicate that buying is going to come further in the session as well. It should not have wick on the upper side. Ideally, if you see a candle with decent volume and that candle has wick on the bottom side, which means that we can certainly going to see a decent momentum after breakout in Nifty 15 tomorrow's session. Now we will see 4 stocks for tomorrow's session. So first stock I have in the list is ICICI Bank. As you can see, this was a breakout zone just above market price of 4,511. And if you see in today's session, ICICI Bank broke out with decent volume. That is what we are going to do when we are going to trade any breakout. Talking about tomorrow's session, I see this bullish momentum continuing. As you see on the left hand side, there is a decent level right here or even here. So in tomorrow's session, we are going to buy ICICI Bank if the price goes above 527. I'll show you our hourly chart as well, because it is extremely important to analyze that. Just see how in the later part of the session ICICI Bank was making higher highs and higher low, which is a good indication that this bullish momentum has not paused. In tomorrow's session, if this high is taken down, which is above 527, then certainly more buyers are going to come. That's why I always emphasize on doing multi-frame analysis. It gives a clear picture about how traders or market participants moving price back and forth, or what level they are trying to take the price to. And also we can neglect or we can avoid false breakout. So that's why, or that's what we saw in ICICI Bank. It is showing bullish momentum throughout higher time frame as well as lower time frame. Even if you go to 15-minute time frame, you can see volumes have increased for as price is trying to break that high of 527. So all on all, we are bullish in ICICI Bank. Second stock that we are going to trade is Sun Pharma. Just look at the daily chart of Sun Pharma. You can draw a trend line up to current market price. As I always tell you, when you draw a trend line, you have to look at the support level. Here, this was a resistance level, but right now it has become a support level, as indicated by long weak candles, and also volumes was getting weaker at this particular level as well. Now we'll go to hourly chart to see if this trend line breakout is going to happen or not. Just see how here, let's take this stronger bearish candle as a base and see how price was making higher highs when it tried to break down the trend line, which is one again uh, bodes well for the breakout. And also see volumes are increasing, although you can see a decent sized bearish candle, but the formation of candle is nothing but just a doji candle. Now we'll go 15-minute chart to see if we can spot any discrepancies. I cannot see anything. Right now this has become a support level around 575, and the level that we are going to trade is above. We'll go to daily chart, is above 576, and our target should be high of this stronger bullish candle, which is equal to 572. Third stock that we are going to trade is JSW Steel. With naked eye looking at this cluster of bearish candle, you can say that in tomorrow's session we are going to see another bearish day. But just look at volumes here. Volumes are not expanding. Now I will do multi-frame analysis and I'll show you how we can avoid a false indication that a chart is trying to do in case of daily chart. So let me go here. Just see the candle for last hour. It has strong or large wick on the bottom side, and if you draw this level right here as a support level around 358, you can spot multiple long wick candle. This is a good indication that this particular support level is strong enough to retrace the price. Also see corresponding volumes for this stronger bearish candle. See what was happening. Price started right here. It came down, but because this was a support level right here, there were a lot of buyers. At the end of the hour, you saw formation of candle like this. That's why you see huge volumes. This stronger volume candle also has a lot of buying activity. So taking everything into picture, also if you do 15-minute analysis, the same story can be seen. There are two 15-minute candles with the strong wick, extremely large wick on the support level, which means that this is once again price is not going to bottom, the price has bottomed out. So what we can do in tomorrow's session is that we can do a trade on retracement, and for that we need JSW steel to go above 359, and I can surely see that. Let me go to hourly chart. This particular level 365 be a decent target in JSW steel in tomorrow's session. Fourth and final stock we are going to trade on 15th of December is State Bank of India. So here I have found out a breakout region. The region or the level is above 276. First of all, when you are trying to trade a breakout, you have to substantiate that in case of as we are going to trade a bullish breakout, we have to make sure that the support level is strong enough. Here you can see multiple long wick candle on the support level, which is around the level of 272. So as we saw here, that level support level is around 272, and there are multiple long wick candle with volumes are not expanding, which is a good indication that this breakout is imminent. As I have been telling you multiple times, when there is a consolidation near a breakout zone and trying or price is finding it difficult to go down, it is an extremely positive sign that breakout is going to happen with extremely sizable bullish candle. So in tomorrow's session, we are going to buy about 276, and the target, let me go to daily chart. The target should be around the level of 285 at least. We might even see 290 levels in tomorrow's session. Let us go to Excel sheet. I'll show you all the important levels. As I always say, do not take position into all of these stocks. At most, just 2 out of these 4 stocks. Regarding target, if you are aggressive trader, you can go for all the target. If you are averse to risk, you can square up your position at earlier target. In case of ICICI Bank, you can close your position at 530. Regardless of that, a extremely good method or trading system is to place a trailing stop loss. So here in case of ICICI Bank, if you are trying to close out your position at 530, what you can do is that once price gets to 530 and it goes above that, you can trail your stop loss. That way you have locked your profit at 530. If it goes above and subsequently touches the level of 533 or even 536, you are going to earn more profit. So that's the way you should look at trading. Thank you for watching.